Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 14 and name of the chapter is symmetry. Now, what do you mean by symmetry? Symmetry means if two figures are exactly same. Suppose this is a square and this is also a square. When these two figures are exactly same, or you can say when two figures are exact copy of each other, then these figures are called as symmetry. Now, what do you mean by line symmetry? Line symmetry means there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that the two parts of the figure will coincide. Then this line is called line of symmetry. Suppose this is a rectangle. If we draw a line, vertical line, then this part and this part will coincide with each other. If we fold this part, if we overlap this part of figure over this part, then these two parts coincide with each other and this line is called line of symmetry. In rectangle, there is also another line of symmetry that is called horizontal line of symmetry. If we fold this part over this part, then these two parts coincide with each other, then these two parts are exactly same. Then we can say this line is the line of symmetry. Next is mirror symmetry. Next type of symmetry is mirror symmetry. Mirror symmetry means it is just like a mirror reflection and there is left right changes in the orientation. Suppose there is a figure P. What is the mirror image of this figure P? This straight line is the left part. This left part becomes the right part. Here this curve is the right part of P. In the mirror image, this curve part becomes the left part. Here left part becomes the right and right part becomes the left. It means left right orientation of the figure. Then this type of figures are known as mirror symmetry. Then this type of images are known as mirror images. Let's discuss some line of symmetry for the figures. Suppose there is a square and you have to find the line of symmetry for this square. In square we have four line of symmetry. It is vertical line of symmetry. It is horizontal line of symmetry. If we fold this figure along the diagonals, then these two parts coincide with each other. So this square has four lines of symmetry. L1 line of symmetry, L2, it is L3 and it is L4. So a square has four line of symmetry. Suppose if we take the figure rectangle, it is a rectangle and a rectangle has two lines of symmetry. It is vertical line of symmetry and it is horizontal line of symmetry. If we fold this rectangle along the diagonals, then the two parts does not coincide with each other. So we can say diagonal line is not a line of symmetry. Next case is triangle. Suppose we take a triangle and there is three lines of symmetry in a triangles. There are three lines of symmetry in a triangle. Line 1, line 2 and line 3. If we fold this triangle along these lines, then the two parts coincide with each other. Let's start exercise 14.1 with question number 1. In this question, some figures are given to you. You have to identify which of the following figure has a line of symmetry. First figure is given to you in a heart shape, and you have to check whether this figure has line of symmetry or not. If we fold this figure along this line, along this vertical line, then the two parts overlap each other. So we can say this figure has line of symmetry. In next figure is given to you in this way, and you have to check whether this figure has line of symmetry or not. Yes, this figure has also line of symmetry. If we divide this figure along this line, then the two parts overlap each other, so we can say this is the line of symmetry. In next figure, it is given to you this type of figure is given to you, and you have to check whether it is a line of symmetry or not. Yes, there is also a line of symmetry. If we divide this figure along this line, then this part overlap with each other. So we can say these two parts coincide with each other. So this is a line of symmetry. If we divide this figure along the horizontal line, then the upper part and the lower part coincide with each other. So this figure has two lines of symmetry. Next figure is given to you square. As we have already discussed, square has four lines of symmetry: vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, and the diagonally lines of symmetry. Along the diagonals, we can fold this figure and the two parts coincide with each other. So a square has four lines of symmetry. Next figure is given to you scalene triangle. What do you mean by scalene triangle? Scalene triangle means all the three sides are different. Length of all these three sides are different. So, in a scalene triangle, there is no line of symmetry. This type of figure is given to you. In scalene triangle, there is no line of symmetry. If we divide this figure along this line, then the two parts does not overlap with each other. If we divide this figure along this line, then the two parts does not coincide with each other. If we divide this figure along this line, then the two parts does not coincide with each other. So a scalene triangle does not have any line of symmetry. Let's move to next question. In this question, you have to identify which of the following figures are reflection of one another. While dealing with mirror reflection, it is needed to note down the left-right changes in the orientation. These two figures are given to you. You have to check whether these two figures are reflection or not. It means whether these two figures are mirror symmetry or not, whether these two figures are mirror reflection or not. Here, left part is a straight line, but left part becomes the right in mirror images. So in right, it is a slanting line. So there is no reflection symmetry in these figures. Next figure is given to you. This figure is given to you. It is just like arrow, and another figure is given to you, this type of arrow. You have to check whether these two figures are mirror symmetry or not. Here left part is the arrow. So this left part becomes the right, and the in right part there is a straight line. In left part there is a straight line. So in these figure left right there is left right changes in the orientation. So we can see these figures are mirror symmetry. Let's move to next part. In next part it is given to you This type of arrow is given to you in third part of question number 2. You have to check whether these two images are mirror reflection or not. Here in this figures, left part is this one. It is the curve. This left part becomes the right in this figure. Here in right part there is a arrow. Right arrow becomes the left in this figure. So there is a left right changes in this figure. Here left part becomes the right part and right part becomes the left part. So there is a mirror reflection in these images. In next figure, it is given to you and you have to check whether these two images are mirror images or not. Here left part is just like this one. This left part does not the right part. So there is no left right changes in these two figures. So we can say these figures are not mirror images. In this way you can solve questions related to line symmetry and the mirror reflection. Thank you.